So welcome back. So we got a interesting little email in the on the computer the other day. A company approached us called Anchorlube, and they asked if we would be interested in trying some of their product around the shop, and sent us some product here. It is a lubricant / cutting fluid by Anchorlube. And it's a water-based product, so it's environmentally friendly, odorless, supposedly smokeless. Doesn't mean you can smoke it, it means it's not going to create smoke. And it comes in several different quantities. You can either get it in this 4-ounce bottle, an 8-ounce squeeze bottle, or an 8-ounce jar of paste, which today we're going to use this one and actually put a little bit on the product here with a brush. A machinist chip brush would work good for this application. And then it's also available in gallon and 5-gallon quantities. So today we've been using it already around the shop a little bit this week, but we're just going to kind of show you the use of the product and that it's not smoking. We're going to do some tapping. We'll use it on the bandsaw. Couple of different applications just so y'all can see how it works. So we just tried it on the lathe, brushed some on as you saw, taking some heavy cuts, some mild cuts with a wore out insert cutter. You heard it chattering just a little bit, but all in all, it's a great product so far. This is actually a piece of stainless. I was thinking it was just some cold roll, but it's a piece of stainless here, and we were cutting that with it, and it did just fine. This being water soluble, I almost think you could probably thin this with water, like on for a bandsaw application. We're going to put some on a piece of steel, just brush it on and cut it here in a little bit also. But I like it. No odor, didn't smoke any. If we were actually paying attention and making a nice part instead of just playing around on the lathe, it's going to be a good product. We're going to try drilling a hole in some 1/2-inch plate, and then I'm going to step drill it first, but we will be using our Anchorlube, and then we'll step drill it up to the 3/8, and then we're also going to tap a 7/16 14 hole, so you just kind of see how it works in all conditions. So we're going to try this onto this same 1/2 inch steel plate. We got a pretty decent blade on here, as you can see. It's not the best. It's probably as good as we got in the shop. Now I would imagine, you know, a lot of times on a commercial bandsaw shop, or a shop that has commercial bandsaw, they have a liquid coolant on the blade. And from a lot of them I've seen in my lifetime, I would imagine that since this is water based, you could mix this with some water and dilute it some, and it would also work as a coolant / lubricant for cutting. So we'll see how this cuts through this 1/2 inch steel plate. We're just going to cut this end off here. So we just got done making the cut, 1/2 inch steel plate. Pretty clean cut for, you know, cold roll steel with a okay blade. So and there's no heat to it. So not only does it work as a lubricant, it probably appears like it can work as a coolant as well. And then we didn't try it a while ago, but after we tapped those threads, you can see down in there it made a nice clean thread. Let's see if we can get a bolt. I mean, it's not a sloppy bolt. A lot of that has to do with the quality of the tap too. Get the burrs cleaned out of it, but yeah, it'll run right through there by hand. So all in all, I think it's a pretty nice product. You're going to start seeing this in some of our videos around the shop. So if you're interested, give them a call, look them up, try it. And we appreciate you for watching and supporting our channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. We got more coming. Thank you.